Good morning everyone. In this video we will study about concentration of solution, and in this I will tell you about how to find out the concentration. So the first question is, what do you mean by concentration? So let's understand by this example. So how would you describe this picture? You can see two cup of tea. One is very dark and other one is light in color. How would you describe this picture? So in one glass of tea stronger than other. So what's true about the stronger glass of tea? How much tea does it have in it compared to the other glass? So we will say the first cup of tea is very concentrated as compared to the second cup of tea, or we can say the second cup of tea is more diluted as compared to the first one. So the word concentrated and dilute are just opposite to each other. The dark tea is more concentrated than the light tea, and the light tea is more dilute than the dark tea. So what do you mean by concentration? By this figure we can understand well the concentration word. The amount of solute present into the solution is called its concentration, the highest amount of solute. So in the figure 1 we can see more solutes are present of the tea, so that's why it is having the more concentration as compared to the second cup of tea. So how do we find out the concentration of solution? So to find the concentration, so first the definition, a ratio comparing the amount of solute to the amount of solution, means how much solute is dissolved into a solution. So what is solute? Solute that is present in the less amount. So how do we measure the concentration? So there are the two main ways. In ninth class you have to study these two types: percentage by weight and percentage by volume, means volume by volume percentage and mass by mass percentage. And a part of these, parts per million ppm, parts per billion ppv for a very low concentration, and molarity and molality. These are the other ways to find out the concentration. So this you have to study in the higher classes, and here are the two main ways to expressing the concentration. These are percentage by weight and percentage by volume. So what's the formula? There is a formula to calculate the percentage by weight and percentage by volume. So first I'm telling you the how to calculate the percent by volume. First you should know about what is solute, what is solvent, and what is solution. So let's see. Percent by volume. The formula is volume of solute upon total volume of solution multiply 100%. So what is the volume percent of a solution if 20 ml of alcohol are dissolved in 50 ml of solution? See, 20 ml of alcohol is here this amount of solute because it is present in less amount. So volume of solute is 20 ml, and how much solution it is dissolved in? It is dissolved in 50 ml of solution. It is already given the solution amount is 50 ml. So according to the formula we will put the value. Volume of solute is 20 upon total volume of solution is 50, multiply 100, and you will get the answer 40%. In this video, we will see this question. 15 gram of NaCl was dissolved into 25 gram of water. What is the mass percentage of NaCl in the solution? So see, we know very well solute plus solvent is equal to solution. So 15 gram of NaCl. NaCl is present in less quantity, so it is solute. So NaCl is the solute, and what is the solvent here? It is dissolved into the 225 gram of water. So water is the solvent. NaCl is 15 gram. So mass of solute is 15 gram, and mass of solvent is 225 gram. So we know very well the solute plus solvent is equals to solution. So we will add, now we will write the formula. Mass percentage is equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution multiply 100%. So what is the mass of solute? It is of 15 gram of NaCl upon mass of solution. Mass of solution, we will add 15 plus 225. So it will be 240 grams. So we have written, now multiply by 100. Now let's calculate. Answer is 6.25 percentage. So this is the 6.25%. 6.25% is our answer. Now the next question, what is the percentage of concentration by mass if 36 gram of sugar is dissolved in 100 gram of water? So in this, you can see in this question 36 gram of sugar, it is the amount of solutes. And what is the amount of solvent? 100 gram. So total amount of solution is equals to 136 gram. Now let's see how to solve. Concentration equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution multiply 100. Already I told mass of solute is 36, mass of solvent 100, mass of solution 136. So keep the values in formula. Now you will get after calculation 26.47. Now I have some questions for you that I will give and you have to calculate the answer. These 5 questions are your homework. Percentage by mass, these are the 5 questions you need to solve into the fair copy, and you have to write the notes. Thank you.